Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 5 English Version Math, Decimal Fractions Chapter, Exercise 7a. Question number 12, divide. And there are 8 problems here. We will solve one after another. Number 1, then we will solve number 2, then number 6. Okay, let us start. And we can solve number 7 also. Okay, let us start with number 1. You see here, if this was 2.4, we could straightaway divide. But this is not 2.4, it's 2.6. It is not easy and you need to do some calculation. So that you do not make any mistake in calculation, we have to do it vertically, the division. So we will divide, we will follow the vertical method. Okay, 2.6 is the dividend. We divide it by 4. We will follow vertical method so that we do not make any mistake in the calculation. So first digit, 1 digit, it doesn't divide. It is smaller than 4. So we take another digit, 26. But before that, you see here there is a decimal point. Put that decimal point here. And then you take the next digit also. So 26. So 4 into 6 is 24. 24. Deduct 24 from 26 is 2. When you divide the decimal fraction, always we can, after decimal, we can bring 0 to continue the division. So we can bring a 0 here. So and now divide 20 by 4. 4 into 5 is 20. The answer, so deduct 20 is 0. The answer is 0.65. 0.65. The next one, number 2. Divide 3.2 by 5. First take one digit. Does it divide? No, it is smaller than 5. It doesn't divide. So take next digit. But before you take next digit, see here, this is a decimal point. Put the decimal point here. And then you take the next digit. Okay, now we take 3, 5 into 5 is 25. 5 into 6, 30. 5 into 6 is 30. Deduct 30 from 32 is 2. Now because it is decimal fraction, always we can bring a 0 here when there is no digit. So let us bring a 0. Now divide. 5 into 4 is 20. Deduct 20 from 20 is 0. The answer is 0.64. Next, 6. Number 6. 35.04 divided by 5. Take one digit. Does it divide? No. It is small. So take another digit. 5 into 7, 35. Deduct 35 from 35, it is 0. Bring down the next digit. Before you bring down, see here is a decimal point. Put the decimal point here. Now bring down 0. Does it divide? No. So bring down the next digit, but before you bring down the next digit, put a 0 here, always. And then bring down the next digit. Does it divide? No. So you have to bring down another 0. Put a 0 here also in the quotient. And then bring a 0 here. So 5 into 8 is 40. Deduct 40 from 40, it is 0. So the answer 7.008. Now number 7. Divide 8 by 5. In these cases, always convert the number, the dividend, into a decimal fraction. Just add a decimal point and then a 0. Now 5 into, take one digit. Yes, it divides. 5 into 1 is 5. Deduct 5 from 8, it is 3. Bring down the next digit. Before you bring down, see here is a decimal point. Put the decimal point in the quotient. Bring down the next digit. 5 into 6 is 30. Deduct 30 from 30 is 0. The answer 1.6. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.